Ready to transform your raw data into stunning, interactive dashboards without installing a single thing? First, head to Qlik Sense Cloud and sign up for a free account. Just click that prominent sign up button, provide your details, and verify your email to get started. Once you're in, look for the Create New button, click it, and select New Analytics. This is where your data exploration begins. Now, give your app a meaningful name and then click Add Data. You can upload data from various file types like Excel or CSV, or even connect to cloud data sources. Let's upload an Excel file for this example. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview of your data, a table format. Click the Load Data button to import it into Qlik Sense Cloud. After your data is loaded successfully, click Explore Data. This will take you to the main visualization workspace. Here's where the magic happens. Drag and drop fields from the left panel onto the canvas to create visualizations. For example, drag a category dimension and a sales measure to create a quick bar chart. Play around with different chart types and add more visualizations to build your own interactive dashboard. Qlik Sense Cloud Smart Suggestions will even help you discover hidden insights in your data. Finally, click the Share button to share your amazing dashboard with colleagues or the world. You can invite specific users or create a public link. Now, go explore the power of cloud-based analytics.